Heavy rain did cause widespread flooding across Oahu yesterday. Several roads were underwater, traffic slowed to a crawl, and crews worked for hours to clear debris. The hardest hit areas were in town from Waikiki to Kalihi. Nikki Schenfeld reports.
The rain came down hard on Oahu on Sunday. Water quickly filled roads and drivers crept through flooded highways. Sunday's storm brought heavy rain with Mount Ka'ala, Monowili, Halawa, and Nu'uanu seeing more than 4 inches of rain in a 36-hour period.
It's an interesting storm. Typically, when we see big rains like this, we would see windward side and north shore impacts. We saw a lot of flooding in the town side.
Heavy ponding shut down lanes of major roadways, including H1 West and Nimitz.
We had Nimitz Highway being flooded near Ala Park area. We had H1 westbound by Radford being overrun by water. So our staff was running full time to make sure that we could clear things out as quickly as possible. On Nimitz, very difficult because it's a low-lying area. We just had to wait the storm out to ensure they could minimize the potential for crashes in those areas and then get rid of everything.
Crews worked for hours clearing drains, removing debris, and pumping water. But drivers still faced slow traffic through the afternoon.
Because there was so much water and so much debris, it's not something that goes away fast. Even when we clear all the debris, the water still got to drain out, and we got to work with gravity to get that done.
Queen Street all the way to Dillingham saw heavy ponding as well. Some Kalihi businesses tell me they haven't seen flooding quite like this before, and thankfully they only had minor water damage. Honolulu Emergency Medical Services responded to 19 crashes during Sunday's torrential downpours.
Slow down, pay attention when you're driving, put your phone down. Again, speeding is such a big factor in these accidents that we're having, and that can cause, death. And this alters someone's holiday. With
more rain in the forecast for Wednesday, officials warn even small showers can cause more flooding.
So our staff is out there right now making sure we clear everything out, clear out all the debris, clear out all the drains, clear out all the drainage ways to minimize any potential for impacts. But there may be some. So as soon as they see it, please let us know so we can take care of it.
The city's Department of Facility Maintenance said there were no stream-related issues that contributed to the Dillingham flooding, and storm preparedness measures were conducted in advance. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.